Hi everybody, today we're going to fix a problem where in Photoshop if you go to File, Export, Layers to Files, it likes to add all this additional text at the beginning of it like underscore 0001 underscore, and that can be really annoying. So we're going to get rid of that. You ready to do it? We're going to hack the computer. What you want to do is navigate to wherever you've installed Photoshop, and in my case it's C Prompt, Program Files, Adobe Photoshop, and you want to find Presets, Scripts. The one that we're looking for is the one that controls the entire thing. It's called Export Layers to Files. I made a backup of it. I just copy and paste here. So now you know if you screw up, don't worry, it's not going to be a mess. You might feel like a hacker while you're doing this, so it would be okay to wear some sunglasses. What we would do is we're going to open up this file and just hit Control F or just do find, and we're going to look for file name space plus equals. This is what does the whole affair. This is what makes it happen. File name plus equals underscore plus zero suppress blah blah blah. What you do is at the beginning of this just write forward slash forward slash. That is a comment. See up here where it says slash slash? You'll find slash slash all over the place throughout this document. That is coder slang for this is just a note. Please don't process this information, and the computer will just ignore that as far as code goes. The next line says file name plus equals, look at that. So plus the layer name. We don't want the underscore, so go ahead and find the underscore in the next line and just hit delete. This is around line number 2195 in case you're looking in the current version of Photoshop. This is 2021, so anyway, we can save that. Go ahead and close it. I'm going to go ahead and try to export here. So let's go back to Photoshop and we'll hit File, Export, Export Layers to Files. I want to get rid of the untitled. We'll run it. Boom, 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 boom. And you can see it exported just the layer names. Red, green, blue. All right, cool. If that was helpful, I hope you'll click on my Teespring store and find yourself a cool nerdy t-shirt. It'll help me out a little bit. And if you want to give the video a thumbs up, maybe you don't have any money, maybe you have friends who have money, you could recommend them to see the Teespring store or just give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate you. You guys have a nice day.